How to log in or sign in to your Prosper credit card account. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video of 1-2 Step. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple process of easily logging in to your Prosper credit card account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end and let's get right into it. Open up your web browser and search for prospercreditcard.com. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to the website of Prosper. Now to log into your account, you can see a login button on the top right. Once you click on it, you can see this login page. Now first of all, you need to type in the email address that you used while creating an account. And then click on continue. This way it's going to send a 6-digit code to the email address that you entered. But for some reason, if you don't have access to your email address, you can click on use password instead. This way you can type in the password that you created while signing up and log in. But however, if you don't remember your password, you can click on the password reset link and follow the steps to easily create a new password. If you do remember it, type it in and then click on continue. And as easy as that, you'll be successfully logged in to your Prosper credit card account. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos. I'm going to be back with more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.